If you are logged into your ChatGPT account and you visit chatgpt.com/images, you will then be in the new image creator if it has been rolled out to your account. And so if it has been rolled out to your account, you will then have access to ChatGPT Images 1.5. You will see a new image interface. However, you can use the new image creator in the existing dialog box. And so if you are going to create an infographic image using the new ChatGPT image creator, you may want to see how version 1.0 interpreted certain documents. You are now looking at an infographic that was an interpretation of a document from the 1.0 image in ChatGPT. We can take that same document, we can go to the ChatGPT dialog, we can then click on Create Image. We're not going to choose a style in this case. We're going to upload the document. We're going to ask for ChatGPT Images to interpret this document into a widescreen infographic. We are now going to click Enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to turn the document into an infographic. Now, the process is not an instant process, so we're going to stop the video here. We're going to pick it up from the completion of the creation of the image. In a repeat error, ChatGPT did not interpret the correct document. We're now going to ask ChatGPT to correct this and to interpret the correct document. We are then going to click Enter. And the new image has now been created. So you will now be able to look at the new image created with version 1.5 to determine if it is an upgrade over version 1.0. And again, you can see the interpretation of the document from version 1.0. Now, if you're looking closely, you'll notice that there is a misspelling on one of the images. It's possible that we may be able to correct this by using the ChatGPT editor. We're going to click on Select Area. We're then going to find the area. And we're going to ask for ChatGPT to correct this error. And we're now going to click Enter. Now, the corrected image did take a few times. We were able to get this spelled planner. One of the things that you'll notice, though, about the ChatGPT image is that it uses the date 2024, even though that date has passed. And so the new image creator can correctly interpret your input. However, it does not incorporate intelligence from search in the same way as Nano Banana, as used inside of Google Gemini, does. And you'll want to be aware of that if you're going to be switching back and forth between image creators, specifically Google's Gemini's Nano Banana Pro and ChatGPT's version 1.5. It's a good idea to go to your favorite search engine and search for a search listing from OpenAI's ChatGPT's Image Cookbook. You will see a prompting guide created as of December 16th, 2025, and it will provide detailed clues on how you can write prompts for the new GPT Image Creator version 1.5. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.